Can you see my screen?
Yes, madam. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, good morning once again, and thank you for joining this webinar, that too on Sunday. And time is also crucial. I know everyone is busy in their life, but we have to spend some time for our self-development. And that is how we are going to discuss about global regulatory affairs. So before um, uh, starting the main session, I would like to brief about our organization. Our company name is Raaj GPRAC Private Limited. GPRAC means Global Pharma Regulatory Affairs Consultant. So it is a 14 years old company. We have completed almost 14 years. And apart from that, I have personally spent more than 30 years in industry. I work for Sandoz, Novartis, Glenmark, GSK, TCS, Cognizant, Chemicare, and there are a couple of other companies. And I worked right from the R&D development, analytical chemist, the scientist, till, formulation scientist. And then I switched to documentation and regulatory affairs. So I'm handling all global markets since more than 20 years in my career. And when I switched over to regulatory affairs, I never thought to go back to any other field. That's how is very interesting field. And I love this global regulatory affairs. And apart from working in different companies, I have trained more than 35,000 candidates till now, and in various areas like the RA, QA, pharmacovigilance, medical devices, then ISO 9001, ISO 13485. Then CTD, ECTD, I was the first woman to start hands-on training on CTD, ECTD in India in 2009 and 2010. So people used to travel from, UK, Netherlands, Kenya, Bangladesh, and other part of the world to take hands-on training with our institute. So I feel very proud of, and I feel satisfied when I train, groom my student, and because they are the tomorrow's leaders, they are becoming tomorrow's leaders. So I love to train, I love to share my knowledge, and that's how I have built my team also. So we have a couple of people who are working on a part-time basis as an auditor, as a technical writer, as a medical writer, or whatever projects comes to us, they just help us on the project basis. And we have submitted, more than 2,500 dossiers in various countries like US, Europe, Canada, rest of the world. Then we have filed 510K, C marks, IND, NDA, DMF, CPs, and name it. You can see all kind of submissions we have handled. By qualification, I am a pharmacist from the Bombay College of Pharmacy. As I mentioned, I spent almost 20 years in industry first, and last 14 years I am handling this company called Raaj GPRAC Private Limited, and we have our own website called www.rajpharmaelearning.com, and you will find many resources on our website also. If you want to see any particular health authority MOH website or anything, you will find many things like demo video, the interview content, and so many things are uploaded on our website also. It is absolutely free. So these are seniors who are associated with us. There are junior, senior associated with us, and there are couple of other people, as I told, project on the project basis. They are working with us. So we provide services mainly in API, formulation, medical devices, nutraceutical, and so on. So currently, if you know, due to MDR 2017, lots of demand is going on medical devices sector also, because we have to follow the MDR 2017 rule and EU MDR 745, because MDD to MDR transition phase is going on everywhere. So all medical devices manufacturers are behind getting their ISO 13485 certification, which is mandatory. At the same time, they have to change couple of document which is called a technical file under the MDD to MDR or MDR IVDR, transition. So we help a client in all aspect in the medical devices also to build their QMS as per ISO 9001 or ISO 13485. We help them for the CDSCO registration as per MDR 2017 rule. Then we have our own US agent wherein we can help them for the 510K submission, PMA submission, and also if they want to enter into Europe. So as per UDAMED, we help them for the CE marking, conformity assessment, and so on. So in nutshell, we help them to provide all the guidance right from beginning till end, like hand holding to them. So apart from these services, we have designed different courses based on the industry requirement. I would say so. I have more than 150 to 200 modules as such, and people are taking advantage from all over the globe because these modules are designed in such a way they are very helpful in your career for the skill development, for the knowledge development, because we are updating every time as the guidelines gets updated. We know because we are keeping eye on it. We are very vigilant about all the guidances. So when you want to become a regulatory affairs professional, you have to have thorough knowledge about the subject, thorough knowledge about the country specific requirement. So, if you see, there are more than 257 countries in this world. And if you want to enter into US, Europe, Canada, Anvisa, Brazil, or TGA, wherever you want to go, you have to learn about the country specific regulations, rules, and what are the guidance available, right? If you go to Europe, directives, and there are other guidances you have to follow. So, based on my 30 years of experience, we have designed courses in pharmaceutical, nutraceutical, medical devices. Recently, we have designed the course in veterinary cosmetics also, as there was a huge demand. Okay, so apart from these certificate courses, which goes for 3 months, 2 months, 6 months, we have designed the short courses as well, because some people, those who are experienced, would like to go for a short course like 1 week, 2 days, because they don't have time, but they have to have knowledge because in their career, right? Suppose, say, for example, if they only want to learn about the stability studies, so whatever ICH-Q1 guidelines says, what the analytical validation says as per ICH Q2, Q3, Q4, so like that, we have designed a separate modules, which is for 1 week, 2 weeks, or, also we design a customer specific module. If suppose 30 people, 50 people, or 100 people want to train on GMP aspects or regulatory aspects, we design the modules as per the customer specific requirement and the country specific requirement. So coming again to become a very good or successful regulatory affairs professional, you have to learn country specific requirement at the same time your product specific requirement. So wherever you are working, like in API, bulk drug, or finished formulation, or biosimilar biologics, or nutraceuticals, or medical devices, you have to learn about that particular product also, not only the regulations, right? Because all these products only you are going to submit or register in specific country for which we have to follow the country specific rules and regulations. So I love to train all my pharma buddies, those who are freshers, those who are in middle management or top management, they come to us and, we provide all the guidances, all training. And after COVID, there is an advantage because we have uploaded all our courses in a e-learning platform like Raj Pharma e-learning. If you see all recorded session, all the content, the PPT, guidance, articles, then the practice questionnaire, final quiz, everything is available on our LMS platform. LMS is a learning management system. At the same time, having said this, we have LMS platform. We design courses as per the customer specific, and we travel to the company's site. So we visit their site factory and we train them on GMP, GLP, or compliance validation, or any aspects, whatever subject they want to be trained. We have SME. SME means subject matter expertise in that particular area. Okay, so like that we impart training in house as well. So, and as I said, I was the first woman to start hands-on CTD training in India at my institute, and I'm really proud of them. And we have trained so many employees till now, and all are well settled in their career. And I'm really happy to see their progress in their career. So these are our accomplishment. We have, as I said, more than 2,500 filings we have done in various countries. Then we have conducted more than 500 seminars, webinars, and this figure has to change. Trained more than 35,000 candidates till now across the globe. Okay, and we have implemented so many, program like MDD to MDR, MD SAP. Then we have trained people on ISO 13485 9001 and ISO 19011, that is auditing skills. Recently, we have launched the course called How to Become a GMP Auditor in Pharma Industry. We have another program called Internal Auditor or the Lead Auditor as per ISO 13485 that is going on very successfully. But at the same time, we have introduced another program as a GMP auditor in pharmaceuticals. So, guys, those who are interested can, go through the course content. The fee structure we have kept very minimal. It varies from 10,000, 15,000 to max is 25,000 for 6-month course. And just see, by paying just 10,000, 15,000, it's going to benefit forever, like lifetime. So, not taking much time, I will just close this session because many people have joined already, and we will start the actual session. So, these are some pictures wherein we have gone to the client site. Then we have arranged a training program in 3-star, 4-star hotel. This is Bangladesh team. To see the picture, then we have audited many facilities as per ANVISA, UKMHRA, USFDA, you name it, all the country specific auditing we have done. These are a couple of clients we have captured. We have handled more than 200 clients till now during last 14 years. And we have the certification also. So this is our office in Thane. And that's all about our company, our organization, and thanks for all your support till now. And hoping to meet you soon. Thank you very much. And we have uploaded a couple of articles also, which are published in national and international journals. And these are our address from 2 sites we operate. One is our own home office at Thane Hiranandani Estate. Another is at Lodha Boulevard commercial premises. This is also our own office. And trust our experience to boost your careers into pharma, biotech, medical devices industry. With this, thank you very much.